I hope he told you that. Hello, good people of Rivers State. This is released from Rivers Elders and Leaders Forum. A call for reflection, forgiveness, rededication, and unity. On behalf of the Rivers Elders and Leaders Forum, we extend warm greetings of peace, strength, and renewed hope to the good people of Rivers State. We also thank the President, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, DCFR, for lifting the state of emergency and restoring full democratic governance in our state. As we welcome the return of His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara, DSSRS, Governor of Rivers State, Her Excellency Professor Ngozi Nma-Odo, DSSRS, and the Speaker, the Right Honorable Martins Ameule, DSSRS, and other members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. We are presented with a unique opportunity to reset and rebuild, a chance to heal wounds, restore trust, and refocus our energy towards the progress of our state and the well-being of our people. We call on the governor, members of the State House of Assembly, other political actors, and stakeholders to put aside bitterness, rebuild confidence in each other, and embrace reconciliation. Let our communities and factions replace anger with understanding, suspicion with trust, and resentment with renewed brotherhood. This new dawn calls for rededication to service and good governance. The return of the governor and a fully functional assembly must not simply mark a political settlement, but a fresh start rooted in accountability, transparency, and integrity. Leaders must recommit themselves to their constitutional duties, ensuring every decision is guided by the welfare and interests of Rivers people. Rivers State is richly blessed with diverse communities, cultures, and traditions. Yet, we share one destiny. Division weakens us, unity strengthens us. We must set aside factional differences and work together to tackle unemployment, insecurity, infrastructural decay, and environmental degradation. Whether in government or in opposition, rural or urban, we must remember that Rivers State belongs to us all, and its future depends on our collective resolve to overcome the challenges confronting our people and the state. Finally, we urge you good people of Rivers State to remain calm, peaceful, and hopeful as we enter this new phase. Reject violence and resist those who seek to divide us. Support lawful governance. Pray for wisdom for our leaders and actively participate in rebuilding our state. Let this season be remembered as the time Rivers people choose reflection over reaction, forgiveness over conflict, dedication over neglect, and unity over division. May this moment usher lasting peace, progress, and prosperity for generations to come. Long live Rivers State. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you very much.